Well guys, we got some trouble here. If you watched my last reel, I just got this thing in, put some different solvents in it and turned it around so she's turning good. And today I went to go check the compression and I've got 0 compression in every cylinder. So what I'm hoping is that it is my valves stuck open. My fear is that we have disconnected connecting rods. All right, first thing I'm going to try is I'm just going to pull the spark plugs and I'm going to stick a screwdriver down there and see if we're getting the pistons moving up and down. All right, skipped the screwdriver, found this nice solid piece of plastic. Okay. Okay. That one's moving. That one seems to be moving. Okay, good. So it's probably my valves are stuck open or my rings are absolutely shot. I'm gonna take the valve cover off, the push rod cover, and see if I can see anything from there. First things first, I gotta get this throttle, whatever you wanna call it, throttle rod off of here. And it is on there good. Oh, come on. There we go. Break some stuff apart. Okay. Come on. Okay. Guess I'll just pop this off. Okay, that looks like something's been moving. That one's definitely stuck open right there. Can you see that? Right here? Let's see. Can't zoom in too far, but right there, that one's not even touching. So that's one sign. Okay, both of these lifters right here, they're coming down and then not even touching. So that it's moving a little bit, but it's not coming all the way down. This one's totally stuck. That one behind it is totally stuck up also. Oh yeah, that back one's totally open. And the one, that one is same thing. It's not, so the springs are not letting them seat completely. So I guess trying to figure out what I want to do next is going to be, I'm trying to avoid having to take the head off because I'm hoping I don't want to ruin the head gasket, but I guess I'm just going to have to work this thing and make it, you know, make all the valves seat and do all that good stuff. So I guess the next thing is let's take the head gasket off. Well, snap that bolt. That's not ideal. Luckily, I've got a ton of these. Okay, all the bolts out, one snapped off. We'll see how that goes. Let's try to pop her off and see what we're looking at.
I feel the sudden urge to sing.
He feels the sudden urge to
Whoa,
sing
goodbye forever.
Why don't you spare us all this pain your voice will surely bring?
I can't believe that worked. I just took the fan belt, wrapped it around here to hold this in place while I do some other stuff.
Want to go walking, dear? It's delightful, it's delicious, it's lovely.
I understand the reason why you're sentimental, for so am I. It's delightful,
Yeah.
it's delicious, it's lovely.
You can tell at a glance what a swell night this is. Romance you can hear, dear Mother Nature murmuring low. Let yourself go, so please be sweet, my chickadee. And when I kiss you, just say to me,
It's delightful.
Well, look at that. Sitting inside there is a nut and a bolt. Where did that come from? I have no idea. But the cylinder looks pretty good. I'm not feeling any scoring on it. I'm not even really feeling much of a lip at all right here. Huh. Yeah, let's see if we can get these valves to work. All right, well, we got the exhaust and the intake off, but look inside there. Look at that valve stem. It's rusted almost completely away. The exhaust looks pretty good. Again, exhaust in there. Can't really see. I can feel it. And it feels pretty good. All the intake, it looks like, are pretty... Actually, they're not all that bad. The one I've been banging on. Where is it here? Right here. Not looking great, but luckily for me, I have some extra valves that I just tore out of an old engine, so shouldn't really slow me down or hold me back too much. I definitely need to reseat these valves.
Oh, I've gotta watch out so you'll never know how much I love you. And I've gotta close up all the hubba like a clam. If you ever found out all the dreams that I am dreaming of you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. Oh, I've gotta think twice when we're dancing so my arms won't crush you. And I've gotta be nice so the door into your heart won't slam. So I worry and I fret, for if once I should forget and rush you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. You are the greatest problem I ever had. Baby, I love you so good, I love you like I'm bad. But tonight I can't bluff, gotta tell the stuff I'm dreaming.
Well, it's the end of the day, and I've got diesel sitting in all 4 cylinders because I want to see tomorrow morning how much leaks through and if I potentially have bad rings. I've got that rocker working now on this one, but I had to cut the valve because it's just stuck in there really bad. It's sad, it's the only one. I really hope this doesn't sabotage my engine. It's hard to get at it. I put some heat on it for a long time. I'll probably put heat on it tomorrow as well and just keep kind of heat cycling it to try to get it to eventually break free. I'm pretty sure it's gonna break up here as I've already chipped the edge of the valve, but it's just really nasty in there. And I re-lapped one of the valves already, so this one's good to go. And I'm just gonna keep working on lapping the other valves tomorrow, and hopefully I will get that one out of there as well. Hopefully I don't lose too much diesel out of the tops of these and I don't have to worry about my rings. And yeah, let's just keep working on it, guys. We're gonna get this thing working. I guarantee it.